Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's a PR unboxing. I've been dying to have a look in this box. I've had this for 2 days now, but I wanted to do an updated video for you before I did this one because it had been a while and I hadn't been online. I've explained why, and I'm going to explain a bit more why in my next video as well when I do my makeup look. But I've got this to do an unboxing for. They contacted us and they said, right, have a look on the website, pick any one you want and we'll send it out as soon as it comes in. The one I wanted wasn't in stock at the time and I was happy to wait, so it didn't take long, and then within it coming into stock they sent it straight away. So it's Teddy Blake, New York, and honestly the boxes are humongous. Have you seen the size of this? It's really heavy as well. So this come today. I've got the shipping email as well, the messages, everything all up to date, so I know what I was getting and when it was coming. It's been brilliant. So I'm going in now. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm going to put this box on the floor. I wanted you to see it just as I did. Look at the size of it, it's huge. So it's all wrapped up proper Teddy Blake, New York. And this is the Vanessa Parmalatto. It's a 14-inch. I don't have any big bags. I used to have a shoulder bag years ago that I went to New York with, but I don't have any really big bags and I can't wait to see this one because all I've got really are backpacks and like a small shoulder bag. So this is really exciting and it's packed amazing. It feels dead posh, and it is. It's quite an expensive brand. There are some bags on there that aren't as expensive, but this one I just loved. I'm going to open it up for you now. I feel super lucky getting this. It's in one especially like linen bag. Oh wow. Okay, this looks very special. Are you ready? This looks amazing. Look at that. I just loved it. I don't have any bags like this at all, and I never have done. I've always wanted one. So that's your little Teddy Blake, New York. Take a little apple. So I presume that's because of the big apple. Might be wrong, but so yeah, it's a black and red. This is the one I wanted, the black red one. So there's your little Teddy Blake, New York there. It feels amazing. On the handles here, you've got a little button press. Oh wow, okay. So we've got the big straps. I can put it around my shoulders. I'm glad about that because sometimes even though you want to hold it like this, like a hold all, you want to put it on your shoulders too. I'm going to get the filling out and I'm going to show you inside of it. It smells amazing and it feels really gorgeous. Just pushing it all on the floor, all the packaging. So I got the black and red one. I'll show you inside. It's beautiful. It's really stunning. Look at that. And then you've got your middle piece. Oh look, it's quite a size. That is huge. So look how thick that is. You've got quite a size going on in there, and it's got the middle purse part. I love this bit if you want to just grab and put some bits and pieces in there. It's quite a nice size in there as well. Get your hand right in. Oh, it goes right to the bottom as well. And then it's got that little bit inside there as well. That's brilliant. Oh wow, this is I feel so special. This is probably the most expensive bag I've ever owned. I've never had one this expensive. It is expensive brand, but some of the bags on there, you want to see them, they're beautiful. And then you've got the studs on the bottom as well, which is good because all the bags I have had, when you put them down on the ground, if they haven't got the studs, they're going to just scuff. And I've always scuffed my bags. I had one black one years ago, but it was soft and it was, I can't remember what it was, but it was lovely. I loved it, but it got so scuffed off putting on the floor. This is going to be ideal. So I can take that to work with us and you've got like a little, where do we put this? That'd be inside. Oh yeah, there's got little latches inside. I'll show you. So if you need to put this bit here, hope you can see. There's like a little hook to put your little handle on. Sorry, shoulder strap, that's it. So we can put a little shoulder strap on. There we go. I've done it the wrong way around. I always do, typical. At least I got the name right, because I'm not very good at getting names right. I don't know if you have noticed, but it's got the studs on, so you can adjust the strap as well to fit you. This is beautiful. It just feels really good quality as well. I'm just getting the studs on now. Oh, it's got lovely little, look at that. Just be thinking, what am I doing down here? There we go. So I'm going to show you. It feels really special. So if I put my little thing on, I'm going to shut the handles like that. And then I can just lift it up. So I can put all my work stuff in here and off I go to work and have it hanging. I love that. That is so lovely. Really, really, really impressed with that. It's beautiful as well. I can't believe how gorgeous it is. I can't wait to use that. And it is huge, so you can get a hell of a lot in. So it's a 14-inch, this one. This is the Vanessa Parmalatto, or Parmalado, if it's an American. So I really love, absolutely love. If you do, I'm going to put the website link up for you. It is expensive, I'm not going to lie, but wow, the quality is amazing. It smells really nice. But there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this. I feel so lucky to have been sent this. I really do. I've known about it for a while now, but I had to wait for it to come back in stock, and I've been so excited, like a little kid at Christmas. I'll put that over there, put it safe. I've got all this to put in the bins, like loads of box. I'm going to put it in recycling. I hope you've enjoyed my little PR explosion. I've got some more looks coming up. I want to do some bridal looks for you, wedding looks, bridal looks. I could even do some bridesmaid looks, although I'm not going to have any bridesmaids because it's only a small gathering. But hopefully you'll enjoy what I've got coming up. And then I've got some celebrity makeup looks as well. And then if there's any that you want as well, chuck them on the comment section. I'm always looking at your comments, I always see them. And yeah, see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.